What the hell? Which way am I going?
Where am I looking? Okay. Okay. Alright. First YouTube capture video on the new software. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know that yes, I am still here. I know I don't post a lot, but let's be honest, the new format is not the easiest to decode. Exciting news. I didn't know, but I did get my first YouTube partners check back in May. But the day after my Verizon Wireless bill came out, so I didn't even see it. So I almost ended up, I was on hold calling Google. No one answered, of course. And then come to find out, in May, I did get paid. So, that being said, I need to make some more videos, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I am going to be starting at Stevenson University in the spring. Moved back to my grandmom's house with my mom, but I'm moving to Stevenson in the spring, and I think what I'm going to do is a four-year university vlog series. So basically, whenever I get the fucking feel to do it, whatever that means, I'm going to do a vlog on things that are related to college. And I think the first one I'm going to do, maybe in a couple days, is how do you apply and what do you need to do to make sure you can get into a good college. So, if you have any college questions you want to ask me or anything you're looking forward to or anything you want to do, let me know. Plus, I need a trailer for my YouTube page. So, anybody who wants to make me a trailer, send me one, and who knows, the best one might get to be used for a little bit. Alright guys, it's been good, but I'm gonna continue watching Honey Boo Boo now because I missed out on that and I love Mama June. So, yeah. See you later.